that produced some damaging winds at mile marker 117. A National Weather Service employee reported a tornado on the ground at 5:40 this evening west of El Reno.
I'm moving a little just north of Indian Hills Road. The area of concern, when I'm saying a low-hanging rotating cloud, is moving over I-35 at this time.
Okay,
yes.
I'm showing the viewers right now that circulation. That's exactly where you are, and we do see that on Doppler radar. You can see the toward and away signature of some circulation there at I-35. There would be Franklin Road right in this area.
I have a tornado on the ground.
Lightning flashes. We're also seeing possibility of some power flashes. There we go. Zoom out a
Oh
little
my
bit.
gosh.
Okay, Brady, that was a 17-hour flash. And that was in the area. It looked like very near Crossroads Mall.
Right near Crossroads Mall. Right down one of our storm projects in that area, reporting a tornado.
I have a tornado on my ground about half a mile east of me.
Let's go back to knocking out 1000 XL quicker. First one hit to the gut there now. First one hit to the gut now.
Hello.